In this next lesson, we're going to work on expanding the polygons on the outside of the rim. Then we will work on creating more details for this model. Now, when working with this model, the Insert Edge Loop tool will be our best friend. Whereas 3ds Max, we have the Swift Loop tool. So please forgive me in advance with the fact that we are using the Insert Edge Loop tool a lot in this Volk Racing Rim series. All right, let's jump right in. What we're going to do is switch to polygon or faces mode by clicking F11. And we're going to select the faces along the top and bottom of the rim. We're going to use these faces as the starting point in expanding the edges of the rim so that we can work on adding details on the inside of the model. Now we can use our side view here and we will begin scaling up those faces. By the way, you can tap the R key. That'll switch it to the scale gizmo. All right, great. Now we have those faces scaled up. Let's go ahead and switch to the edge mode. And let's double click this edge, which will select the entire loop of edges. And with this selected, the plan is to show some dimensions or some form of bevel along the outer edges of the rim. So what we will do here with those edges still selected, let's hop in our side view and we're going to scale them up just a bit. Maybe even scale it down just a touch. All right, fantastic. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next set of steps, which will be to add dimensions on the border of this racing rim. Now we will do that by simply extruding a set of faces. All right, so let's select these faces here. Now with these faces selected, we're going to offset them by using Control E, which is our extrude. Okay, so let's go ahead and mess with the offset just a bit. All right, now we can go ahead and tap the G key, which resets the extrude options so that we can continue. Let's go ahead and extrude our faces inward. I think negative 1.3 should work. All right, now that we have some dimensions here along the border of the rim, let's add some edge loops to sharpen these details. Let's put one here. And we'll go ahead and add one here. Put one here. We'll put one here. And I think we can add one more here. All right, great. Let's go ahead and smooth out our model with the 3 key, and let's take a look at our progress. All right, fantastic. This is actually pretty good so far. Now, in the next lesson, we're going to work on pushing our verts in the back out just a little bit more so we can make this look more like a racing rim in its entirety. We'll also shape some faces by extruding them inward to make that dip that all car rims have. So stick around for the fun stuff, and I will see you in the next lesson.